Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy rolled hairstyle. To start, we're going to take a small slice of hair from the left hand side of the head. We're also going to take the same size section from the right hand side, and we're just going to bring these together at the back of the head and secure them into a small ponytail using a clear elastic band. Next, we're going to take a small section of hair from the left hand side and we're going to pop our fingers from our other hand under that section we've just tied back. Now pass the hair up to your fingers and pull them up and over that section. So you've almost wrapped it around that section we first secured. And we're going to do the same again. So take another slice of hair from the left hand side. Pop your other hand behind that first section. Pass the hair to it and pull it through. And we're just going to repeat this on the right hand side. So take a small section of hair, pass it up to your fingers and pull it up and through. Then grab another section of hair from the right hand side and repeat these steps. So pop your fingers behind, pass the hair up to your fingers and pull it over and through. And we're just going to repeat this one more time on the right hand side. And then lastly, one more time on the left hand side. So take a section of hair, pop your fingers behind and pull it up and then pull it down so it wraps around. So with that section we've got left over in the middle, we're just going to secure it into a clear elastic band, probably about 4 or 5 inches away from the top. And all we're going to do is take the ends, tuck it in, and then push it towards the head and secure it with a bobby pin. And to make sure all the wrap sections stay put, we're just going to push them towards the head and secure them with a few bobby pins. Next, spend a couple of minutes just making sure everything's nice and even and adjust anything that looks a little bit wonky. Add some texture spray to the top of the head and pinch and pull so it's not too tight. And then add some hairspray to calm any flyaways. All the products I use today I'll pop in my description box below for you. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.